Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to guide you through the process of getting a mortgage pre-approval with Wells Fargo. This step-by-step guide will help you understand what you need to do to secure your pre-approval and set yourself up for success in your home buying journey. Step 1. Gather your financial documents. Before you start the pre-approval process, collect all necessary documents. This typically includes W-2 forms from the last 2 years, recent pay stubs, bank statements for the last 2 months, tax returns from the last 2 years, details of any debts or loans. Step 2. Visit the Wells Fargo website. Go to the Wells Fargo website and navigate to the Home Loan section. Here, you will find information about mortgage products and services. Step 3. Start the pre-approval process. Select the option for Mortgage Pre-Approval. You can either begin the process online or schedule an appointment with a loan officer. If you choose to apply online, select Get Started to begin filling out your application. Step 4. Fill out the application. Complete the online application form. You will need to provide personal information, including your Social Security number, employment details, and financial information. Be as accurate and detailed as possible. Step 5. Submit required documents. After filling out the application, you'll be prompted to upload the financial documents you gathered in Step 1. Ensure that you upload clear and complete copies to facilitate the review process. Step 6. Receive your pre-approval decision. Once your application is submitted, Wells Fargo will review your information and documents. You'll typically receive a response within a few days. If approved, you will receive a pre-approval letter stating the amount you can borrow. Step 7. Review your pre-approval letter. Carefully review the pre-approval letter for details such as the loan amount, interest rate, and any conditions attached. This letter will be valuable when making offers on homes. Step 8. Maintain your financial status. During the time between your pre-approval and closing on a home, avoid making any major financial changes, such as taking on new debts or changing jobs, as these can affect your pre-approval status. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on home buying and financing tips.